How to turn off playlist updates notifications on Spotify. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off playlist updates notifications on Spotify. First, go to Spotify and then click here in top corner, this icon, click on it, and now go down. You need to find this category, to find this one, notifications, and then click this one, playlist updates, and turn this one off, and turn this one off if you don't want notifications on your email. And that's how to turn off playlist updates notifications on Spotify. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.